Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is time for another Fun King 3D mailbag. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so it is time for another Mailbag Monday. And we haven't done one, it's not been very recently and not very steadily ever since the FK1 project was done. The package rate has decreased, but that's okay. We're back to getting things that are awesome and personal, and we like that. So I'm going to start with the envelope. And reason being is this actually got here before this. So this is a card letter mystery from our friend Paul Cumber. And that looks to me like a Christmas card. I realize it's after Christmas, but I didn't cut the whole envelope. I can't get it out of there. Oh, it's not full of glitter. You have to read it.
Oh, okay.
There's magic in believing. Nice picture of Santa Claus on there. May your home and heart glow with the magic of Christmas. Hello, Fun King 3D. I like to wish you and your family a happy holidays as well as a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Take care. God bless as well. Have a Happy New Year as well, my friend at Fun King 3D, from your friend Paul Cumber. Thank you, Paul, and I'm sorry that it took so long to get this and to get this open, but the holidays were a little bit crazy for us. So, you wanna... It's not out. You gotta put the blade out.
I know.
It's not the only... No, it looks like you taped it here too. And here too. People get crazy with the tape. I'm the same way though. It's funny because Amazon will ship you something with just like one little piece of tape on it. But if you ship it back, I put like a whole roll on there. If you cut yourself, this is Tom's fault. By the way, this is from Tom, 3D Printing Llama. And
wow, Tom, how much tape do you put on this thing?
all of it. One roll per package.
Okay.
At least you turned it over and opened it the right way and didn't open it upside down.
Yeah, whatever.
That's a lot of stuff.
That is a lot of stuff.
All right, so we have a sticker.
I like stickers.
It seems that Tom uses kitty smoke detectors in his home, and that's good. It's a wireless smoke alarm. I like recycling. I have a whole stack of I'm not sure. Tom always amazes me. Just a bunch of TPE Fun King heads made to go over lead screws or some such. Think at least 2 should fit the FK ones sticking up so you can keep from poking an eye out. Cop hack, Maker Geeks yellow TPE.
Winter, the best time to get the best less.
Oh yeah, that's just, you know, recycle as well.
Oh yes, I think I seen one that was in here.
Open at ends. Recycle is good. Oh, there he is. There he is. All right, we have to bring in the detail camera for this.
What is this?
This is Eye Patch Fun King 3D because Tom likes to make fun of the fact that I'm going blind in my right eye, and no, in fairness, it's all in good fun. It was that's Chris Riley.
I would have never noticed.
That's a Chris Riley head, which is like super creepy, but
it is really creepy. Okay, so we got the small ones. Is this a giraffe? Oh no, it's a donkey. It's a llama.
Hang on, don't get ahead. Don't get ahead.
All
oh,
right.
yeah, don't get ahead. I made it in. Bad joke. Okay, so we have a little Fun King head. Oh, and he's a little bit skishy. Oh, that's one of the ones to go on the right, come here, to go on the lead screws. And I will. That hole actually might be too big, Tom, but nothing. I think a little electrical tape or duct tape couldn't fix. Oh, a llama head. That one's not TPE. Yeah, you don't have to take all of those out.
Oh,
just ones that are different.
That one's a little different.
And then a Fun King head that is not blind in one eye. There's a lot of glare on that. I hope that shows up in the camera. And then this one, what'd you do with the knife?
Over there.
You see what it says on here? Recycle is good. But it says to open at the ends. That's nice. Can you get one on your thumb too?
Probably not.
Thumbs are too big?
Yeah, thumbs are too big. Thumbs stink.
What was this? One of those nesting dolls? Careful. Open ends. Be careful. Open at ends.
Careful.
Suppose he wants me to open this carefully at the ends?
No, I don't think so. I swear, there's another box in there.
What are you doing to me, Tom?
Is there another box in there?
No, it's a Ziploc bag, but me and my big meat hooks can't get it out of there. Oh. This should help you get through all those layers of tape boxes. Oh my gosh, that is brilliant. I don't know how well this is going to show on camera, but that is a black and yellow knife that has the Fun King on it. I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh, that is awesome, Tom. That is so awesome. Do you get the joke though? Like he buried it inside of a box, all taped up.
Yeah.
But it's the tool that would have got us into the bag. That is absolutely cool, Tom. I would have never thought of like reskinning something like this, and yet the not saying it's simple, but the concept behind it is simple. Genius. Good show, mate. Good show. Xander just likes the TBE heads. Perfect. Well, I will try that onto the FK1, and I will definitely post a picture of that. This is now our official box opening knife for Mailbag Monday.
I'm still gonna use this one.
Why? This one's easy. You just open it up. I mean, it's got a guard on it right now, but then you're like,
it looks unsafe.
And then you just put it away.
It looks very unsafe, so I'm probably.
Well, technically, all knives are unsafe, not used correctly, but you have to use the official.
This one is black and yellow too. There's black and yellow.
Wow, stubborn. He gets that from his mama. So. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Paul. We appreciate it. Of course, we love opening packages, and we love seeing the stuff that that people make.
It is my army.
Awesome. The Chris Riley head is a little creepy. I wish that had a hole in the bottom of it. I'd put that on top of the lead screw, the FK one, but that's too funny. And I love the eye patch.
It is my army.
I don't. Oh yeah, I guess people can see it, but you got stuff in the way.
My army.
I just threw that box away, but I actually wanted to keep it, so I'll have to dig that out of the trash later. Anyway, so thank you, Tom. Thank you, Paul. If you guys want to send something in, the address is down below in the description. It is never required, but it is always appreciated. Again, we love to see the things that you make. Plus, it gives us a chance to experience other filaments that we may not have ever had a chance to try, or in this case,
That's
would
gonna
ever
give
bother
me,
ordering.
That's going to give me nightmares.
But I'm going to put that in your room.
No, please don't.
If you like what we're doing, we'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. We love our new Fun King 3D lead screw army. I love the knife, Tom. Thank you for the card, Paul. As always, print on.
Just my army of Fun King heads.